Samsung Galaxy M62. Display and camera. Samsung Galaxy M62 comes with a massive 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display compiled with a pixel density of 387p. The smartphone flaunts a bezel-less screen with a punch-hole layout, having an aspect ratio of 20:9. The device also boasts a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, which offers stunning visual experiences to individual users. It is equipped with quad cameras on the rear side, comprising a 64MP main lens with a 12MP telephoto camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle shooter backed by a 5MP depth shooter. A 32MP selfie shooter is mounted on the front screen. Configuration and battery. Samsung Galaxy M62 flaunts a massive 8GB RAM along with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset, ensuring a seamless user experience. The device also possesses an Adreno 618 GPU accompanied by an octa-core Creo 470 dual-core and hexa-core processor that functions at a speed of 2.2 GHz and 1.8 GHz approximately. A 7,000 mAh Li-ion type cell is loaded within the device. The non-replaceable battery is compatible with fast charging technology, ensuring prolonged operating hours once 100% charged. Storage and connectivity. Samsung Galaxy M62 comes packed with an impressive 256GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 512GB. Users get access to 4G VoLTE network bands, besides other features like Bluetooth version 5.1, mobile hotspot, a GPS GLONASS, Wi-Fi, USB charging, USB Type-C. Samsung Galaxy M62 price in market is expected to be 31,990 rupees. Samsung Galaxy M62 expected to be launched on February 16, 2021. This is 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy M62, which is expected to available in black, gold color. Buy for huge 8GB RAM for stunning speed. Attractive camera features 7000 mAh battery with fast charging support. Enormous 256GB expandable storage capacity. Verdict. Samsung Galaxy M62 is a robust performer within the M series, comes loaded with a 7000 mAh mammoth battery and 8GB RAM. You can surely go on with your daily routine for prolonged hours once the device gets completely charged. Get your hands on the 256GB internal storage offered by the smartphone and start downloading numerous media files and games back-to-back. The 6.8-inch wide display teamed with quad cameras on the back and 32MP selfie shooter offers a great photography experience, making it a stunner among others within the particular range. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.